All right, we are back with another video talking about Revit 2026 new features, and this one, Revit Sheets. Yes, we finally are in alignment. We finally can add parameters. We finally have control. We have not had this much control since Revit has come out. We got it now. We'll discuss the pros and cons in this video right now. We are back. And one of the things that we're going to go over today is the fact of sheet collections. And it's so important to understand what sheet collections are. And it is a collection organized in your project browser. In Revit 2026, we've never had the opportunities to control the sheets the way we do. We can control the views, which I have in another video, and we can also control the sheets. And when I mean control the sheets, we actually have parameters that now identify with the sheets. So if I go over here and I show you, hey, look, you'll see something that says sheet collection for the first time, right? I'm going to show you how that works, but everything about this aspect is now applied to Revit. So first thing I'm going to do is go over to the View tab if you're a beginner, and then we're going to go down to Schedules, and we're going to say SheetList. Like I said before, the power that the new Revit 2026 comes with is... Now, if you're still watching this video and you haven't subscribed, oh, we got a problem. In order for me to keep dropping these jewels and these gems for this transformation, I need you to like, subscribe, and share. All right, let's get back to the video. Efficient in Revit. So, in this aspect right here, now you see a sheet list. And the sheet list shows all the different parameters that you can now control within Revit. Sheet group, sheet height, sheet issue date, and etc. But the one thing you may see right now that is missing, it says sheet collection. So the very first thing that we're going to do now is go to an actual sheet in the project browser. And then once we go there, what I want you to do is follow along and then right click the sheets. And then once you right click the sheets, you'll see something that says new sheet collection. And as we do that, now what we'll do is we'll now go ahead and double click. And this one's going to be elevations. Hit enter. I'm going to go down to building elevations and building sections. Now remember, the sheet collection says none, right? You see it all the way over here, none as well. So now I'm going to grab, shift, hold down, select everything I want, drag it up to sheet collections, and voila. Now what do you see? You see the ability to now organize your project browser based upon a new parameter called sheet collection and parameters overall within Revit to control the sheets. The faster you want to go is the more organized you have to be, especially as a beginner. And so you want to make sure that your sheets are organized, just like the project browser, which is all new, that you can kind of sift through and go through all the different information. But I think this is a huge, big deal that helps you organize your project, especially for architects, engineers, and even contractors, because the more organized you are, the better you can use it. Revit 2026, power of sheet collection. Thank you.